Hey everyone, welcome back to the Speaker of English channel. This is the place where learning English feels easy, comfortable, calm, and clear. I'm Daniel, your guide on this English learning journey. And today, joining us again is Mia.
Hi, everyone. I'm happy you're here with us today.
Imagine this. We're sitting in a quiet coffee shop. There's soft background sound, warm light, nothing feels rushed. That's the feeling we want for English today. Comfortable, natural, easy. If you're listening while relaxing, walking, or having a break, you're exactly where you need to be. Let's begin. This is day 7, and that matters. In the past few days, you've spoken English. Simple English. Real English.
It doesn't feel as scary anymore.
That's progress. Confidence grows quietly. Today, we'll have a small, real conversation. Nothing fancy, just useful English. What a real conversation is. A real conversation is not perfect. It's short sentences, listening, and responding. You already know everything you need.
So we don't need new words today?
No. Today is about using what you already have. Before we continue, notice something important. You are listening. You are understanding. And soon, you are speaking. That's already a conversation.
I never thought listening could be part of speaking.
It always is. Good speakers are calm listeners first. First, just listen. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. And you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I'm having a coffee. Where are you? I'm at a coffee shop. Notice how short the sentences are. No long grammar, no pressure. Just one sentence, then another. That's how real English works.
That makes it feel much easier.
Now, let's say it together. Slowly. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. And you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I'm having a coffee. Where are you? I'm at a coffee shop. Very good. If you missed a word, that's okay. If your pronunciation isn't perfect, that's okay too. The goal today is not perfection. The goal is comfort. Now, change it. You can say, I'm at home. I'm at work. I'm outside. Choose one. Say the conversation again with your own place. Take your time.
It feels real when I change it.
Exactly. That's real speaking. Now, answer these questions out loud. How are you? What are you doing? Where are you? One sentence each. That's enough. Let's take a quiet moment. Say this sentence out loud. I can speak English. Say it slowly. Say it again. Remember this feeling. You are not finished. You are just beginning. English is a daily habit, like a small walk or a quiet coffee.
I feel proud of this week.
You should. This was day 7 of the Speaker of English podcast. You spoke English. You stayed calm. You showed up. From here, we continue. one day at a time. Until next time, take care and keep speaking.